好，为大家展示的是贝克墨西哥的机型B2340，那本身核桃木卡带的机型目前已经改装成这个蓝牙音乐主机为大家展示这个蓝牙的音效还有同步的效果那上面这一台平板一样已经连接上这个蓝牙了我们直接做播放
See you pass outside my door. Hello, is it me you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes, I can see it in your smile. You're all I've ever wanted, and my arms are open wide, 'cause you know just what to say, and you know just what to do. I want to tell you so much. I love you. Long to see the sunlight.
好，展示到这边，谢谢各位的观赏。